Tired of endless receipt piles, manual expense reports, and the constant dread of reimbursement delays? You're not alone. Welcome to the world of Expensify, the expense management solution that's revolutionizing how businesses handle their finances. But how exactly does this magical app work? Let's dive in. Imagine this: you're on a business trip, enjoying a delicious dinner with a client. You snap a photo of the receipt, upload it to Expensify, and boom! Your expense is automatically categorized and ready for submission. No more manual entry, no more lost receipts, and no more waiting weeks for your reimbursement. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Expensify, it's reality. Let's break down the key features. Receipt capture: simply snap a photo of your receipt with your phone. Expensify's AI-powered technology automatically extracts key information like date, vendor, and amount. Smart categorization: Expensify intelligently categorizes your expenses based on merchant information, making it easy to track spending across different departments and projects. Automated expense reports: say goodbye to tedious manual data entry. Expensify automatically generates expense reports with just a few clicks, saving you valuable time. Real-time insights: gain real-time visibility into your spending with customizable dashboards and reports. Track your team's expenses, identify areas for cost savings, and make informed financial decisions. Easy reimbursements: seamlessly integrate Expensify with your company's accounting software for quick and easy reimbursements. Get your money back faster and avoid any unnecessary delays. Navigating Expensify is incredibly intuitive. The user interface is clean, modern, and designed for ease of use. Whether you're on your desktop or mobile device, you'll find the app easy to learn and navigate. Plus, Expensify offers excellent customer support with helpful resources and a responsive team available to assist you. Expensify offers a multitude of benefits for businesses of all sizes. Increased efficiency: automate expense reporting, reduce manual work, and free up your finance team to focus on more strategic tasks. Improved accuracy: minimize human error with automated data entry and reduce the risk of inaccurate expense reports. Enhanced visibility: gain valuable insights into your company's spending habits and identify areas for cost optimization. Improved employee satisfaction: streamline the reimbursement process, reduce employee frustration, and improve overall employee satisfaction. Reduced costs: lower administrative overhead, minimize paperwork, and potentially negotiate better deals with vendors. Ready to give Expensify a try? Here's how to get started. Sign up for a free trial, explore the platform, and see how it can benefit your business. Integrate with your existing systems, connect Expensify with your accounting software and other business tools. Train your team, provide your team with the necessary training and support to effectively use Expensify. Start submitting expenses, begin using Expensify to track and submit your expenses. Monitor and optimize, regularly review your expense data, identify areas for improvement, and refine your expense reporting process. Expensify is a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way your business handles expenses. By automating the expense reporting process, improving accuracy, and providing valuable insights into your spending, Expensify can help you save time, reduce costs, and make more informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.